ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ BBA ನ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಯೂನಿಟ್ನ 9ನೇ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. The following are the users of information systems. They are users of accounting information systems, users of marketing information system, users of manufacturing information system, users of human resource management information systems. Okay, let us understand one by one. First one is users of accounting information systems. Accounting can be said to be a process that collects, records, analyze, interpret and communicate the financial information to end users in the format that they will understand. There are many people who rely on accounting informations. They provide which much needed information to make an informed to take economic decisions. Then who are the users of accounting informations? The following are the users of accounting informations: shareholders of a company, government also one of the users, even suppliers or creditors will going to use the accounting information of the organizations. Even general public will going to use the business informations, because the public sometimes needs information about the finance of the company in order to protect their interest. Next, the students will also interested in informations of the organizations, because the company want to about the company financial position of the company, where that any projects that is going to carry by the students, they will going to use the accounting information of the organizations. Next is employees. Definitely employees also will going to use the informations of the organizations. Management is that both top level management, middle level management will use the accounting informations to take their decisions in the organizations. Tax authorities, even the tax authorities also will going to get the informations, accounting information from the organizations. Trade unions, even the trade unions also will going to get the informations, accounting information from the organization. Next is professional bodies. Even professional bodies needs accounting information as a tool that will use to educate their members. Next is potential investors. Yes, even that potential investors also will going to use the accounting information to know the positions of the organizations, whether they want to do investments or not. That is, first one is users of accounting information. Next, the second one is users of marketing informations. Yes, no doubt marketing managers is the user of information system performing the marketing activities. Marketing activities are directed towards planning, promoting, selling of goods and services to satisfy the needs of the customers. And the objectives of organization is marketing information support decision making regarding the that all the functions of marketings. That is why even that marketing departments also use this marketing information systems. Next is the third one is users of manufacturing information systems. That means the production manager is the user of information system the manufacturing functions is concerned with productions of goods that business sells. The manufacturing manager use the information system for providing services to support the provide the services to support the manufacturing functions. Manufacturing information system, that is it is going to targeted for the use anywhere production is taking place. Modern manufacturing information systems are generally compressed and are designed to collect and present the data which managers need in order to plan and direct the operations within the company. Next one is users of information management systems. Information manager also the user of information systems for performing the all human resource activities. That means the human resource management systems, that is management specialist operates and manage the information system for field personnel as well as the training, as maintaining the person's information files and supporting documentations. That means that is preparing, updating the all the that is control the all the human resources in the organizations. Okay, these are all the uh, users of information systems in the organizations. Thank you.